Hello everyone, welcome to this period. Today I'm going to talk about cardio slim tea. My mother wasn't able to lose that stubborn fat. She tried everything. She's been on dieting, even she tried a lot of exercises, but still she didn't lose that stubborn fat. That's the reason I recommended her cardio slim tea. The thing is, it also focuses on our heart health while burning that stubborn fat. So, Cardio Slim Tea is a blend of all natural ingredients that helps us to boost metabolism, burn stubborn fat, and also provide energy throughout the day. So before jumping on Cardio Slim Tea, there's an important message. There are a lot of counterfeit websites available online and they can scam you easily. So I have figured out the official manufacturer's link and put it right in the description and comment section so you can go and buy for yourself and even check out. With that, Cardio Slim Tea has all natural ingredients like green tea extract that helps to boost our metabolism and in the meantime lose that stubborn fat. Also, it has ginger extract, which focuses on cardiovascular health to improve our heart health, and it has lemon and dadarians, which naturally helps to detox our body and provide the energy throughout the day. And it has many more ingredients. So, it doesn't use any disgusted chemicals or ingredients. It's non GMO, so you can trust it easily. With that, it's easy to use. All you have to do is to take one tea pack and put it in the hot water. So you can have that at cardio slim tea every single morning and before your breakfast. So it's very easy to use. With that, it also provides a 60-day money back guarantee. My mother saw the valid results after having it for 60 days. So I recommend you guys to give it a shot for 30 to 60 days to see the results. And if you don't see the results, you can simply ask for the refund. There will be no question asked. It has 60-day money back guarantee. But all of these are available only in the official web page. And link is in description to make sure to check it. With that, if you have any questions or you want to share the journey, please comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.